Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your emoji on Snapchat. It's super easy if you follow all these steps. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. After that, click onto your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. It will lead you to your profile page. Once you are in your profile page, tap on setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. It will lead you to the settings and control of various options. Scroll all the way down to your privacy control section. Then there you will see custom emojis. Now tap on it and it will lead you to another page where there are a lot of emojis with tag on it. And you can choose any of it. I'll choose snap streaks. Once you have chosen snap streaks, it will lead you to another page with lots and lots of emojis. You can choose any of the emojis and voila, your Snapchat streaks emoji is changed. And this is how simple it is to change emoji on Snapchat. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit on that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos.